We're going to be taking you through the progress of our black comedy feature film.
Who are you, by the way? Nobody knows who we are.
Look at yourself, sir. Realistically, nobody's going to give you that money. Nobody. You don't know who the fuck you are. It's a complete risk. You are unknown. This
is our first feature film, something we're going to do together. You're going to get it warts and all.
For now, you're just some pair of idiots like everyone else.
So we just go into it?
I kind of think we could.
This is DIY Cinema Cult.
Hello you lot. Look, it's just me, Mark, here on this bonus episode. I wanted to let you know about some very exciting news. My film, The Chewing Gum Man, a portrait of the artist Ben Wilson, which you may have heard me waffling on about in previous episodes. It is screening on Sky Arts Tuesday, November 24th at 11 p.m. You don't have to be a Sky subscriber to watch. Sky Arts, which is a brilliant channel, is now free to view. So you should be able to pick it up on your menus, on your TV, on your box, whatever you have, however you watch your TV. Have a look, it should be there. I'd love you to tune in. I'd love you to have a look at what we've made, and I would love you to let me know what you think. I'm so proud of this film, and we had such fun making it. We received no funding, no permission from anyone, so it is a true DIY venture, and I'm so pleased that it's got so far. Shooting that way was really the only way we could have approached the subject matter. You know, Ben is a street artist who operates in the fringes of legality, shall we say. Hasten to add, the right side of legality. But he has, as you will find out when you watch the film, he has come up against the police. He's been beaten up by police, thrown in jail cells, had his DNA taken by force, all in the name of his art. He's very driven. He's very inspiring. It was very inspiring for me to make the film and spend the year and a half I did shooting with him, and I hope that you'll find it inspiring to watch too. Me and Ben, like I say, we shot for well over a year on this film. We're still friends to this day. We forged a very strong friendship during the making of the film, and it's a friendship that taught me a lot about art, creativity, and compassion for other people. Anyway, I don't want to waffle on too much, but if you want to see a film, a documentary about a real artist, a real folk hero working on the streets today, please tune in. So Sky Arts, Tuesday, November 24th, 11 p.m, The Chewing Gum Man. All right, I'll leave you to it now. Love you, bye. Follow us on Twitter at DIY Cinema Cult, or on Instagram we are DIY_cinema_cult. Seek out the DIY Cinema Cult group on Facebook, or why not email us at DIYCinemaCult@gmail.com. Follow us.